Before you spend money on ToonBee AI, ask yourself one question. Are you actually paying for better videos or just paying for another AI tool with fancy marketing? Because those are two very different things. I've seen people buy AI software after watching a 5-minute demo, then cancel it a week later because it didn't fit how they actually work. So instead of talking about hype, let's look at what really matters. The first thing I noticed is that ToonBee AI is clearly built for speed. If your goal is to create animated content without learning complicated editing software, that's where it makes the most sense. The interface isn't overloaded and you can usually figure out the basic workflow pretty quickly. Now, is it perfect? No. Like every AI tool, you'll probably have to regenerate some scenes. Sometimes the output is exactly what you wanted. Sometimes it's close, and sometimes you look at it and think, yeah, let's try that again. That's just part of working with AI right now. The bigger question is, does it actually save you time? If you're creating YouTube videos, social media content, client explainers, or simple animated marketing videos on a regular basis, there's a good chance it can. But if you're only making one video every couple of months, you might not get enough value from a paid subscription. Another thing I'd think about is your workflow. If you're already using 2 or 3 AI tools, ask yourself whether ToonBee AI replaces one of them or just becomes another monthly bill. That's a surprisingly important question. Features are nice, saving time is better, saving money is even better. One thing I always recommend before buying any AI tool, use the free version or free trial if it's available. Don't decide based on someone else's project. Try creating your own. Use the same type of content you normally make. That'll tell you more in 15 minutes than 10 review videos ever could. Because at the end of the day, the best AI tool isn't the one with the biggest feature list. It's the one that helps you finish your work faster without making you fight the software. So, is ToonBee AI worth paying for? If animation is a regular part of your business, content creation, or client work, it could be a worthwhile investment. If you're only curious and plan to use it once in a while, I'd test a free option first and see whether it actually fits your workflow before committing to a subscription. Now I want to hear from you. If ToonBee AI costs twice as much as it does today, would you still consider paying for it, or would you switch to another AI tool instead? Let me know in the comments. I'm interested to see where everyone stands.